Baby, pre-fall try-on haul. I really hope y'all are ready for this because the stores are beginning to roll out their fall items and also the fall colors, honey. And today we're doing a try-on haul with Walmart. Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. Hey y'all, so we are doing a pre-fall try-on haul, right? Because fall is actually just around the corner, and child, yes, I know that it's still hot outside in most states, but the stores are beginning to roll out their fall items. So honey, why not do a try-on haul? Now y'all, I did not go in and style any of these pieces that I'm going to show you. These are literally straight out of the box, and they may even be a little wrinkled, so I want to give that disclaimer, okay? So this is a true try-on haul, y'all. But really quickly, for all of my cousins who are new here on this channel, honey, my name is Shauna T, and over here we talk all things plus size fashion, Jesus, beauty, and everything in between. So do me a couple, 2, 3 things. Baby, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure that you comment in the comment section down below, honey, because I will talk back. I need to let y'all know really quickly before we jump off into this haul, everything that I am showing you in this video, you can either scan the QR code right here on the screen, or you can go in and click any of the links down in the description box below, honey. It's what we call over here shopping the closet. Now let's jump into this very first dress that I have on. And y'all, I got it in a size 3X, I'm sorry, which is Scoop brand size 24, 26. I had to get the sizing right, okay? 24, 26, they're 3X. And I will say that it is very roomy, it is comfortable, and it also has pockets. Now y'all, this dress comes in a couple of colors. It comes in the burgundy one that I have on. It also comes in a green, and it comes in a black. Now I will say, if you got a lot of surprise such as I do at the back, honey, your little thighs gonna be out just a little bit. I'm just saying. It's not rising or anything at the back, and I'm definitely gonna wear this dress outside. But I do want to let y'all know my height is 5'5", so it literally stops like at the very top of my knee. So if you do decide to wear this, and I'm thinking about styling it maybe either with boots, or if you are a tights girl and you're like, oh, you know what, I don't know about the length, you can put you on some tights with the boots, or either pair it with a cute sneaker as well. So I did want to give that quick disclaimer. It also unzips in the front, so if you want to show your little cleavage, you can show your little cleavage right there. If not, you can go ahead and wear it all zipped up. It is giving me like tennis dress vibes, like fall tennis dress vibes. That's what I'm actually picking up for this dress. But y'all let me know your thoughts about the dress in the comment section. Is it something that you will rock? But if you fast like me, I already know you're gonna rock it, and it is. Now this next piece, y'all, is actually just a pair of pants that I picked up. I have absolutely no idea how I'm going to style these pants, but these are like a coal gray, and they have pinstripes in them, and I think the pinstripes is actually what attracted me to these pants. And then it has this white band going across the top, and I thought that was cute for some reason in my brain, right? Again, I'm not quite for sure how I'm going to style it, which is why you just see me in a black tank top. I will say that these pants are tall girl friendly, but they do not have any stretch in these pants, and it also has a zipper on the side. So I can definitely see my cousins who still go into the office or business meetings, or if you want to wear these to church, I definitely can see you rocking these pants on some of those occasions, even actually dressing them down a little casually with a sneaker as well. Okay, y'all? It does have pockets, which I really do like about it, and the drawstring does go in and tighten if you wanted to just cinch your waist a little bit more. Now these pants definitely came in another color, which is a lighter gray, and those were really cute as well, but I opted for the darker gray. And then they also make the pants in a black with pinstripe from the Scoop brand. So you got a few color options there, and like I said earlier, it does go up into a size 28. with the pants, I got my pants in a size 24 and they fit me really well. So if you wear the same size as I do, or you have the same shape or build as I do, hopefully this gives you a good visual as you're shopping and helping you make your buying decisions. But again, let me know y'all thoughts. How would you wear these pants? Because me personally, I'm still trying to figure out in my mind how I want to style these pants, okay? Because it's gray. I don't know. We're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna see. I may have to come back and do a whole styling video, all right? And honey, who does not love a good jogger set during the fall time? Listen, two-piece sets is everybody's friend, I believe, because they're always quick, it's always easy. And I picked up this gray color two-piece jogging set, and y'all, I might say it fits very well and the material is very soft. I probably even could have sized down to a 22 because the arms are slightly big and they are slightly long, but I mean, it's nothing that I can't go in and work with, because I did get a size 24 in both the top and also the bottom in this set, y'all. Now, they're not sold as a set, so you gotta buy the top and you gotta go over and you gotta get the pants. I just want to let y'all know that, okay? Now, it does come in multiple colors. It comes in a burgundy, there is a pink, there is also a black, and I want to say a fourth color, but I cannot remember right now off the top of my head. So you don't have to get this gray color that I have, but I just wanted to let you guys know that. And the pants are definitely tall girl friendly, okay? My height is 5'5", as I always say, so these pants are definitely tall girl friendly. The pants do have stretch in the waist. As you guys can see how much room I have in them, which is why I said I definitely could have went in and sized down to a size 22 and probably still would have got a great fit in these pants. So shout out to the Scoop brand for giving us extra room in our clothing. Y'all, literally, these actually just came in as I was filming this video, so I am fixing to show them to y'all. So I purchased these little babies for Walmart as well, because I've been hearing a lot about Walmart sneakers. So I don't know if y'all saw the guy who went viral because he bought his whole entire outfit from Walmart, his sneakers, his everything from Walmart. So I was like, well, you know what? I'm gonna get me some sneakers from Walmart, and I opted for these blue ones. These are No Boundaries, just to let you all know, but these are really cute. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get these sneakers and style them up some type of way, honey, because we do not always have to pay super high prices for our shoes, but I definitely think these are cute little kick around shoes. If my granny was still here, that's what she would call them. Little kick around shoes that you can wear to the grocery store, match with the outfit, honey, and still be cute on a budget, because we do budget over here, What? We do budget over here. It ain't nothing wrong with it, okay? But these little babies literally just came in, so I wanted to show them to y'all, and we'll style them up later, okay? Cousin, how come you ain't joined the Cousin Crew? What is the Cousin Crew? The Cousin Crew is our text and email list, and it's a way for me to be able to communicate with you outside of social media. And word on the street is, honey, I am planning a cousin meetup right here in Dallas, Texas. Yes, honey, so we can gather together, we can have some laughs, we may even cry a little bit. Have us some light bites, honey, do us a little quick twerk, a little dance or something. So listen, make sure that you go in, click the link down below in the description box, and I also have a pinned link as well, and join the Cousin Crew. Now, I will email and text you every Monday and also every Friday. So, honey, make sure that you be on the lookout, okay? Let's get into our other item I picked up from Walmart. It is another dress, y'all. Now, I did go in and opt for the black, white, and brown dress. This dress actually does come in other colors as well. I will put them on the screen because I cannot remember them off the top of my head, okay? Now, this dress, y'all, I definitely see me wearing this with some boots and also some tights. Honey, I do not have a problem with showing the top parts of my thigh. And I don't. And I don't, because I like to be a little fast every now and then, and I know y'all do too. But I will say that the dress is a little shorter on me than the burgundy dress that I'm actually wearing right now. But this dress has excellent stretch in it. It has excellent stretch in it. I can definitely see going in and styling this dress as a shirt. right? For some of my cousins who say, you know what, I love this, but you know what, the length for me is a little short. So I could definitely see going in and styling the dress as a shirt, maybe pinning it up on the side or on each side, just to kind of give it some more flair, as I would like to call it, to it. But overall, y'all, I do love this dress. I actually love the stretch off in it. I will say it is slightly thick a little bit, so I would not recommend wearing this right now because it is still hot outside. So I'm just saying, I would not recommend you wearing this dress at this present time. But I love the dress overall, and it has excellent stretch. But I did want to give that little disclaimer. It is a little bit on the short side, honey. A little bit on the short. So if you ain't fast, this one right here is not for you. Now, y'all, I will say that I did see some other pieces that Walmart was pushing out as well, and I was just going to pop those on the screen just to give you guys some visuals of what the Scoop brand in particularly, because that's who I was shopping, was pushing out for this coming fall. They had some beautiful jackets. I know one color in the jacket, which was this brown, was actually already sold out because I personally would have grabbed that one, but they also have it in a black as well, but I personally didn't need another black one. And they just had some really cute pieces that I think you guys can go and pick up and maybe add to your wardrobe. And so I want to throw this off in here just because somebody asked me the other day, like, how do you shop for clothes? So now when I'm shopping, y'all, I don't necessarily shop like for a full, complete outfit anymore. I always kind of look for pieces that I can mix and match with different items that I either already have in my closet, or either if I'm going to go in and maybe purchase another piece later on down the line. So I don't technically shop for full-blown outfits when I'm shopping. I shop for my lifestyle and what I do on an everyday basis is how I actually go in and shop. Another thing that I'm actually shopping for is statement pieces, right? Because I know that events will begin to come up, so I definitely want statement pieces. And it doesn't even have to be a full look. It could be a separate piece, whether it's the pants or either a top or either a full dress. So statement pieces are something that I'm also looking to be able to add to my wardrobe, because holiday season and kickbacks and all the things are getting ready to occur. So cousins, I definitely hope that was helpful for you all as you are beginning to shop for your fall items. Cousins, I truly hope that you have enjoyed this video. As I told you earlier, anything that I have shown you in the video, you can definitely go in and scan the QR code right here on the screen, or you can click any of the links down below in the description box, honey, and shop the closet. Make sure that you go in and join the cousin crew, honey, if you feel like that is something that is your speed, something that you want to do. If you're looking for community, if you're looking for sisterhood, okay, that is what the cousin crew is all about. And it's something that I started about 6 or 7 years ago, honey, when I was actually an extreme couponer myself. So I had to do a whole nother video and actually just really tell y'all how the cousin crew got started. All right, cousins, so I definitely hope that y'all have enjoyed this try on haul. Go and watch some of the other videos on the channel, especially the video about styling leopard pieces, because fall is actually coming, and also styling your black and white pieces. Y'all know we love us a little black, okay? So definitely check out the other videos here on the channel, and most of all, check out our Faith and Friday playlist. If you don't know what the Faith and Friday playlist is, every single Friday I drop a video, honey, and we'll talk about the styles, and then we'll jump right into the scriptures. So yes, honey, Faith and Fashion Fridays. Now, cousins, listen, that's all that I got for y'all today. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, you follow my Amazon storefront, and also you follow my LTK store as well. Those two places are where I will go in and drop links to all of the pieces, clothing, hair, wigs, whatever it is that you see me rocking. Okay, y'all? Now, honey, as I tell y'all every single time, make sure that you walk in every single room, baby, boldly and confidently, cousin. And make sure that you own it. Why? Baby, because you belong there. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.